Hello there, students and teachers. With this video, I want to show you how to update your Chromebook. So there's been lots of different features. There's usually a pretty big update that comes out every month for the Chrome OS, and it's important that you have the most updated version in your Chromebook. So the first thing you need to do is just go click on the clock down in the bottom right-hand corner. You click there. This version, the settings key is up here, but it depends on what version you have. We kind of have a crossover right now. Here are the two different versions. So if you had, if your version's before 117, just like this one is, your settings key button is going to be up there. If it's after version 117, it's actually going to be down there in that little menu there. So when you click here in this version, it's up here, and the updated version, it's going to be down there. So I click on that settings, that little gear box, and then the settings menu is going to open. The next thing I need to click on is this About Chrome OS. OS stands for operating system, About Chrome operating system. You click on that, and then it'll show you your current version, which we're going to be updating to 117. So we got a lot of a rather large update going. So you click check for updates. If your Chromebook is already updated, it's going to say that right there. It's going to say Chromebook is already updated. Now, what this is doing is obviously mine needs to be updated. You can use your Chromebook as it's updating, so you can minimize this and you can just have it going in the background while you're working. So that update is going to take a while, right? We're only to 2% already, so you can keep working. When you get to the end of it, you're going to have a screen that looks like this. It's going to say just this restart button. The new version won't take effect until you restart your computer. You can either restart it by clicking that button, or you can just restart your Chromebook as you normally do. So if your Chromebook isn't working properly, if it's just yours looks different than maybe a different student's or somebody else's in the district, it probably needs to just be updated manually, and this process is how you do that.